everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I'm back on here to show you my design team haul. So this particular collection is going to be for design team projects for Country Craft Creations, and this time I received Photoplay Willow Creek Highlands by Becky Moore, and this is going to be amazing. I love this. It's a really cute farm themed paper collection. Adorable. So I'm going to go through this with you and show you what I got. So as we're looking, I'm going to get to play with this beautiful green gingham ribbon. Look how gorgeous that is. It's going to go with this paper collection absolutely perfectly. And then I also got some red twine, so that's exciting. I love twine. So I got that. In the paper collection here, I'll show you. Look at the stickers. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, all of these stickers are just absolutely beautiful. I love it. Look at that little lamb. So cute. The cow and the chickens. So really cute farm themed. And I love the colors in this. So they're beautiful. Really beautiful colors. There's a border strip down here that looks like lace. I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping you can. We've got some button stickers in here. Really adorable sticker collection. And look at the papers. So I'm going to go through here. There's 6 different patterns to this collection. So this one here with the red and the flowers on the front has this beautiful chicken wire with the blue on the back. Is that not the cutest? And then we have this paper here. It's called Country Barns. Look how pretty that is. And look at the background. You got the gray kind of images in the background with like windmills and weather vanes and little pig there. Super cute. On the back of that, we've got the cow spots. I love that. So cute. I love this. This is just a great collection. I saw this and I was hoping I was going to get it, so I got lucky. Woohoo! Sunflowers on this one. And look at the back of this. Look at how pretty that is. And I don't know if you can see it, but there is a beautiful, kind of almost like a watermark here with flowers and some lettering. It's just really so pretty. This is going to be a fun project. I think it's going to work for a prototype that I worked up, kind of hoping I got the right paper collection for it, and I think this is going to do it. We've got bees here, and then look at back here. You've got these beautiful 6x8 panels. Now, is that not adorable or what? These are like ready-made to do an album, aren't they? I mean, really. And then you've got your 4x4 cut aparts down here. Home sweet home, welcome. Colors are gorgeous. This quilt is amazing. I love that. Love it. Here we've got the wall full of all kinds of different pictures and different memorabilia hung up on there. Really cute. These would be cute too, little bits you can fussy cut out of. And then you've got your wood paneling back here. That's really pretty too. And I like how it's kind of looks like it's offset. Really nice. This particular page here, this is the last page, and it has the 3x4 cut aparts on here, and you've got a 4x6 down here. Look at how cute this is. These would be great journaling cards, don't you think? Yep, I do. And then you have your green piece with the weather vanes. That's really cute. I like that. This is a great paper collection. This is going to go really nicely. I love it. Now, I also did get my colors. I've got a couple sheets here. So this one is Aqua Tint. And then this one, which one is this one? This is Wildflower Honey. So those will look really good with this paper collection. Look, that's going to match really nicely with this paper collection. So I also got some heavyweight chipboard here too. So we'll be using that. And then let's real quick go through this ephemera pack, and I'll just show you what I got in here. So this is an ephemera pack that has 30 pieces in it, and we've got a tag here, all kinds of little bits and pieces. So I just wanted to take these out and show them to you. We've got little, look at how pretty these are. The images are gorgeous. Faith Family Farm. I like that. That's very cute. Home sweet home there. You've got your heart. Look at how cute these are. And this tag with the tractor on it. Is that not adorable or what? I love that. These pieces here are in, you know, you can just pop those out or trim those out. So we've got our cows here. We've got, oh, this is so cute. I kind of got a loss for words. I was just looking at them. It's so pretty. And then you have this page here. Look at that cow. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Work hard, stay humble in the barn. This is going to make a really cute album, you guys. I am really excited. I think my idea for my initial project is going to work really well with this paper collection. I love this old country house. Love makes a house a home. Isn't that pretty? With the little tabs too, and the cows. Happiness is felt by making other people feel loved. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Happiness is homemade. So this is a farm themed collection, and I'm really loving it. So I have 30 pieces of ephemera. I have my chipboard. I have my ribbon and my twine, and then I have this gorgeous paper collection. Look at this. Look at how pretty this is. All right, so this is from Photoplay, and this is called Willow Creek Highlands. And you can get this at Country Craft Creations. So I will have a link down below where you can go and grab all of these things. And I will be back soon with tutorials. Look how pretty this paper is. I just love it. And look at all the stickers. Just a very cute paper collection and gorgeous colors in the cardstock and the ribbon. So thanks for watching, and I will be back soon with a tutorial for you. Have a great day and stay crafty. Bye-bye.